How did Air Force close air support work in Vietnam? Imagine a battlefield where the stakes are incredibly high, and every second counts. In Vietnam, the United States Air Force played a critical role in providing close air support to ground troops engaged in intense combat. This support was essential for the success of operations and the safety of soldiers on the ground. Close air support in Vietnam involved a coordinated effort between ground forces and air units to deliver timely and effective firepower against enemy positions. The primary objective was to assist ground troops by targeting enemy forces, supply routes, and fortifications that posed a threat. Aircraft such as the Douglas A-1 Skyraider and the McDonnell Douglas F for Phantom Roman II were frequently utilized for these missions due to their versatility and ability to carry a wide array of munitions. The process began with ground troops identifying enemy positions and calling for air support. This communication was vital, as it ensured that airstrikes would be accurately directed to avoid friendly fire incidents. Ground controllers, often equipped with radio communication devices, would relay the coordinates and specific details of the target to the aircraft in the air. Once the aircraft received the coordinates, pilots would assess the situation and determine the best approach for the attack. They would consider factors such as weather conditions, the type of munitions to be used, and the proximity of friendly forces. The aircraft would then execute the strike, employing a combination of bombs, rockets, and machine gun fire to neutralize the threat. One of the notable aspects of close air support in Vietnam was the use of forward air controllers. These specially trained pilots flew low and slow, often in unarmed aircraft, to visually identify targets and guide strike aircraft. Their expertise was crucial in ensuring that air support was effective and minimized the risk to ground troops. The impact of close air support was significant throughout the conflict. It provided ground forces with a tactical advantage, allowing them to engage enemy forces more effectively. However, the reliance on air power also raised concerns about collateral damage and civilian casualties, prompting ongoing discussions about the ethics of airstrikes in densely populated areas. In summary, the Air Force's close air support operations in Vietnam were characterized by a high level of coordination between ground and air forces, the use of versatile aircraft, and the critical role of forward air controllers. This combination of factors made close air support a vital component of military strategy during the Vietnam War, shaping the outcomes of numerous engagements on the ground.